Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create your own action figure or Barbie in ChatGPT. So right here, what we can do is we can just utilize this plus icon right here in order to upload file from our computer. For this case, I'll upload right here a picture that I have chosen. I have chosen right here this picture and I'll just input right here the actual command prompt that we will use. So I have used this prompt. I said, use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a Barbie doll in a cute blue package from head to toe. I have specifically said head to toe even though my image is just until the chest. With accessories including shoes, a phone, and lipstick. The package should read Angel the Barbie. So you can just head over and then send it into our ChatGPT in order to help generate it. Now in this will actually help us generate in here a particular picture for us. So as you can see right here, it's right now loading. So just wait for this to finish the loading process or the creation process for you. So as you can see right here, we have now the sample of this particular image generated by our ChatGPT. But as you can see, it's not full head to toe. So let's emphasize that right here. Make it head to toe. And then send that. So it's actually typical for ChatGPT to create mistakes. So do forgive them, but it can still be salvaged by sending them the right command for that way. So just wait for this again. So it has given us this, which is actually much more improved. So as you can see, it's just within minutes and we already have a figurine sample of this. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.